where you are going to start our new syllabus. This CBCS syllabus as being prepared by the professors of Osmania University, the Board of Studies in English, and that is being prepared for the students as per the semester basis. So as earlier you have seen, and you have also completed the 2 semesters in the first year. Now you are going to enter into the second year. Then apart from our syllabus, we are going to see with the units of 4 units that has been given in the syllabus of this academic year 1920. The 5 units are being added in this, and each unit you are going to see the different subheadings, and in these subheadings you are having poem, one prose, few grammar points of vocabulary and grammar. So each unit is divided like that only, and you should have to see the 5 units based upon the completion of these 3rd semester syllabus. In that 3rd semester, now we are going to enter into the first unit of that. The poem is life. So you know about the 4 words, what is life and how this life is very useful to you, and these are the things that are being given in the poem of the life that is being written by the author Charlotte Bronte. Before we are going to entering into this poem, we are going to see about what are the things that are going to be done in the lives and the activity of the portions that are being taken in the poem The Life, which was being written by this Charlotte Bronte, and what are the views of her has been given in the poem. You can see here. Then the poem Life, you can see the points and what are the things in the life you are going to expect are the words that you should have to be aware. First point is life, then the happiest moments and the unhappiest moments, then about the words of the successes there, and also the disappointments in the life of the attitudes which are being there. Then second point, you can see what are the phases and the adversities are being exposed in your life. You can see that also. Then unfortunately, if it happens, the effects of adversity, how you can regain your balance of the life that has been given there, and what helps you to compose her back or to bring back again. So life presents both opportunities and challenges. Then how you would respond to these challenges, and the words you can see, life is there, happiest ones are there, unhappy ones are there, and what are the success things that you are going to gain in the life is there, and how you are going to face the disappointments in the life also, they are there. So according to that, then how life is considered, and you can also regain the last part of the period in which you are going to respond your challenges there. Then sometimes if you are troubled through these negative thoughts and emotions, then how you are going to overcome the thoughts and feelings which are being there. So those are being again troubled by these thoughts and emotions, then how you are going to overcome these thoughts and feelings. You can also have quotes with the examples also. So these examples are being added so that you are going to face some different issues, and you can also give some of the instances which are being added to these sentences which are being given to this is the thoughts and feelings there. Then how you can expose your thoughts and your feelings that are being added to these thoughts and emotions there. Then one more question you are going to see. Then how should you overcome these thoughts and feelings when you are in a state of in the depressed conditions are there. So the next comes the word depression. Depression is a common, serious, it is a common in everyone. So when you get, for example, when you get the state of depression, you will be having your mindset or your emotions are going to be very backward there, and feeling shy or whatever the things that you are not going to share with your happiest feelings to others, and the state of unhappiness is showing in a seriousness in the mood of your disaster there. So that makes you your feelings in the disorder conditions. And also you can find some symptoms and causes and cures, where these three words you can see. Symptoms means, before this understanding of the word symptoms, you can have that you are very unfeeling towards such a disease. So that is a symptom which you are going to arise before. For example, you take only fever. If you want, you are able to, if you are able to have a feeling with the cause of fever, before that itself you will be getting of small ache of the headache, or you will feel from the cold, or sometimes you can feel from the nerves which are very taking off heat or whatever the thing that you can get, and that causes, that makes you to be ill health there. So these are the things when you commonly go to the mood of the disaster, when something is going to be happen with knowingly or unknowingly. So when you feel this depression, and that depression is also cured by taking, in the small cases of your fever or even headache, or making of your symptoms with the freeness of the fever or any other thing that can be cured by going or by meeting to a doctor, so that you will be having of your primary health conditions that makes you clean. So the life is there. In the life you can have to see the both things. Happiness is there and the state of unhappiness is also going to be occur, and success is there, and also you can feel the disappointments also when you are going to be not in a level of these to reach of these successive levels there. So the two things are going to be happen. For these two things you are going to quote with the having of an example. You take one coin, any coin of 1 rupee, you can have from the both sides, head and tail. So itself you can also see the things which are going to be happen in the life may be moments in a easiest way, and the things which are going to be happen in the unhappy things, or where it is going to be in a state of unhappiness, that reminds or that makes use the things by the both sides of a coin that can be used, or that you can recall the moments in the life there. Similarly, from the second point of view, success also, for this word success, and what is the opposite word of success? Unhappy, then disappointment, or you are not succeeded in life. So these are the points when you are going to have your attitudes toward the having of getting of the things that are to be failure there. So when you get of all the positive things, or at that time you can be getting of all the positive moments, and you will feel at that happiest ones, those who are not there. When you are going to feel unsuccess in the life, then at that time you will be having of your attitudes to be failure there. So at that time you should feel your things that the justification is not being given to the success one, and that makes you to the failure steps, or that you may not reach towards to your goal. So in the life, goal is necessary, and you should have to reach to your goal, so that all the attitudes in the life may be very clear to you, so that you can have your things are the happy moments that makes you in the life to be very clear there. So these are the 2 points, and you can see these are the things you can face in the life. Both life presents both opportunities and challenges, and you take the word with opportunities. And what are these opportunities? And you will be having of many providings. Then challenges is there, and how you are going to fulfill that challenge. You should have to see that challenge, and you should have to respond to the challenges similarly. How far it is going to be given, and which the life is mode of. So this is also one of the point where you can see that life presents both opportunities, challenges, and we should have to respond to the challenges which are being there. So this is also one of the important criteria in which you are going to see, and the author is being given by the common emotions and feelings of a human being. Animals does not feel all these things, but we the human beings are there. We will be having of such a discrimination that we are going to have of all these emotions, appointments, disappointments, attitudes, successiveness and failure steps are there. So we should have to respond, because we got the life from the God, and we should have to satisfy with all the opportunities and challenges which are going to be taken in justification there. Otherwise, sometimes not only these opportunities of the challenges, you can also sometimes feel, because first itself we have said that unhappy ones are there. So those who are feeling these unhappy ones, who are there? Those who are the people who are having with the negative thoughts and emotions there. And to overcome those thoughts and feelings, you should have to be seen by these thoughts and emotions. To overcome that such thoughts and feelings there, you should have to be given troubled by these negative thoughts, where our fulfilling of challenges are not up to a level of aspirations there. So at that time, these negative thoughts may be circulated by ourselves to overcome them, and we should have to be free to overcome these such type of the feelings and thoughts which are being added as a part of life there. Then lastly, you can come to the word of this depression, and depression is a common and but serious mood disorder. So that is also a type of the disorder where we are going to feel with our emotions and the feelings, where the conditions and the stating of the acceptions are not able to clear. At that time you are going to feel towards the emotion of these types of the feeling of these depression that can be taken into these that may lead to symptoms, causes and cures there. So that these are the points which you are going to feel in the life where the human beings are being exposed to the nature. So according to this, human's life is going to be activated, and where you can see these are the common points that are going to overcome as a human being to face all the troubles, all the symptoms, and that may be taken into the cures of the nature there. So these are all the terms which are being taken from the words that are being given from the activity of the points, where you should have to understand the total poem of the life that has been given in the activity of the portions there.
13 సెకండ్ అంటే 15 నిమిషాలు అయింది. ఇంకా నేను ఖరాబ్ చేయాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఆద్య కాకుండా ముంగల నేను స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు నువ్వు అది ఇంకా రెడీ కాలేకుండే, కానీ అప్పుడు క్రాప్ చేసి వస్తుంది మంచిగా. అంటే ఇట్లా క్రాప్ చేసాం కదా, ఇట్లా క్రాప్ చేసి వస్తుంది.
నాకేం చూడడానికి రాదు.
విన్నాను నేను ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇంకా రాదు, ఎందుకంటే కాదు నువ్వు స్టార్ట్ కాడు కాబట్టి డబల్ సపరేట్ వీడియో చేయమన్నాను. అన్ని ఒకటి దాంట్లో వీడియో కాదు. అది ప్యాజ్ చేసినావు, నువ్వు ప్యాజ్ చేసిన అంటే ఇంకా 10 నిమిషాలు
ఉండని. ఇది అయిపోతుంది ఈరోజు, ఇంకో దాంట్లో ఎక్కువ చెప్తాం. ఓకే, ఇది ఇప్పుడు స్టార్టింగ్ కదా, దీన్ని చేసేసి మనం సెకండ్ దాంట్లో ఉంది కదా, సెకండ్ దాంట్లో నేను ఇది చేస్తాను. సెకండ్ దాంట్లో టైం ఎక్కువ తీస్తుంది. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్.
नहीं यूट्यूब में अपलोड करना है,
ఓన్లీ రికార్డింగ్.
ఇది ఇంకా స్టాప్ చేయలేదు నేను వీడియో.